In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Monday.com board. Whether you're looking to create a physical backup, need to share information with colleagues who prefer paper, or simply want a hard copy for your next meeting, following these steps will have you printing your board in no time. We begin by navigating to the homepage of Monday.com. This platform is a fantastic tool for managing projects, tasks, and teams. Once you're on the homepage, your first move is to select the specific board you wish to print. Boards in Monday.com are versatile and can vary from project timelines and task lists to complex workflows. Choose the one that contains the information you need. After selecting your board, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll spot 3 vertically aligned dots. This is the menu button, and clicking on it will unfold a variety of options for you to explore. One of those options includes managing your board settings and preferences, but for our purposes today, we're interested in a different feature. To proceed, move your cursor to hover over More Actions. Doing so will expand another submenu filled with further actions related to your board. Amid these options, you're looking for Export Board to Excel. This feature is incredibly useful for exporting the contents of your board into a widely usable format, that of an Excel spreadsheet. Excel files are not only editable, but also printable, which is precisely what we aim to achieve. Click on Export Board to Excel. Before the export process kicks off, Monday.com provides an important option to include updates in your export. This means any comments, status updates, or any changes made to tasks will be captured in your Excel file, ensuring your printout is as up-to-date as possible. It's a nifty feature that adds depth to your printed copy, making it not just a static snapshot in time, but a dynamic record of your board's life and activity. Once you've made your selection, proceed by clicking on Export. Shortly after, your board will be packaged into an Excel file, ready for download. Depending on your browser settings, this file may automatically download to your default Downloads folder, or you may be prompted to choose where to save it. Locate the Excel file and open it. Excel, a part of the Microsoft Office suite, is a robust tool for handling such files. But, if you don't have Excel, there are several free alternatives capable of opening and printing Excel files, such as Google Sheets or OpenOffice. With your exported board now open in Excel, you're at the final stretch. All that remains is to print this document. Remember, the layout and format in Excel might differ slightly from how things appear on Monday.com due to the nature of data representation in Excel. Before printing, you may want to adjust or tidy up the layout, ensuring that all the critical information is correctly formatted and easily readable. This might involve adjusting column widths, changing font sizes, or even filtering some data for clarity. To print, simply go to the File menu in Excel, select Print, and you will be presented with various printing options. These include selecting the printer, specifying the number of copies, and deciding on which parts of your Excel file to print. After making your choices, hit the Print button, and voila! Your Monday.com board will transition from digital to paper, ready to be shared, archived, or referred to as needed. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to printing your Monday.com board. This process not only allows you to bring the digital efficiency of Monday.com into the physical realm, but also ensures that your project management workflows are accessible in multiple formats, catering to diverse needs and preferences. Thank you for tuning in to today's video. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and encourage you to explore more tips and tricks to enhance your Monday.com experience. Happy printing, and see you next time.